Hi, I'm Elmer.
And I'm Willie.
Today we'll be installing a EAG fold-down table for the tailgate of our 98 Jeep Wrangler TJ. This is going to be another time-lapse video as we're getting short on time and there's a little bit more involved in it. We're going to be using a product called a riv nut. Basically, it's a threaded insert rivet that is placed in the hole. It could be as simple as, we can make it as simple as screwing a sheet metal screw in this thing and calling it a day, but we're deciding to go with M6 bolts and threaded nut rivet inserts, which is done by the recommended by the factory and comes in the kit. However, we are going to be using a little bit heavier grade duty one. We're wanting to do this before we get the tailgate painted. Then once we go to take the vehicle next year to get it painted, then when they paint the riv nuts, they're painted, they're sealed, they're ready to go. So I hope you enjoy our video today, and we'll come back in a little bit later and show you the operation and the reason and purpose behind having this here. And let's get to work. So, as you can see, we just got through installing this table into the Jeep Wrangler TJ. The nice thing about it is I got a place to set my coffee cup while we're sitting here tailgating. I could also turn on be using the food prep while we're at camp. A lot of things are nice about this table. We do have some final adjustments to make with it. A little bit more than we want to get into in this video, but it's just personal preference and taste. As far as I'm trying to say it. The adjustment and operation of the table. But as you can see, it operates. These little latches keep it in place against the little rubber stops. It's a great addition to the Jeep TJ. Once we get it painted, of course, this here will definitely look like it was factory installed. So with that, I want to thank you for watching our video today. Hope you enjoyed it, and as always, stay healthy, stay blessed.